Hi, I'm Chef Angie. I'm specialized in pastry. Today I'm going to show you how to make character macarons. First of all, we will sift in the icing sugar, almond flour. Next, moving on to making the meringue, egg whites, so we will separate the mixture into 4 portions. One color down. Let's repeat that like 3 more times. I'm going to pipe my macaron shells. Alright, so just give it a good tap. We will just let it dry in an air-conditioned condition. It would take around 30 minutes to dry up. This is ready for baking at 150 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure that the bowl can sit on top of the pot. Alright, so buttercream done in the bag. So for the bunnies, just focus on the ears using a blue edible marker. Now I'm flipping one side of the macaron shell around so that I can pipe it on. Easter macarons are done. They are colorful, tasty, and easy to make. Try it at home and leave a comment below.